Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about what is Stripe payment and how does Stripe work. So I am going to explain each and every part in this video. So I hope you will watch this video till the end, and let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to be understand what is Stripe. So if you ever bought something online or paid through an app, there's a good chance that Stripe has handling that payment behind the scene. So in this video I am break down the what is Stripe, how it works, and how you can use it to accept payment in your business, whether you are a simple or a small shop owner or a developer or are running an online platform. like let's talk about what is Stripe. So Stripe is a payment processing platform that helps business accept payments online in person. You are probably seen it powering checkouts on websites like Shopify, Amazon, Notion, Lyft, and thousands of others. So it handles all the payment stuff like credit card processing, bank transfer, digital wallets, and even international payments. So you can see this is the Stripe payment box. We are in the dashboard right now. It is especially popular among developers because it is very customizable, but non-technical user can use Stripe too with tools like Stripe checkout. So you can see we already have option here, get your live account in Stripe. So right now we are working on dummy Stripe. This is a default sandbox. So in here we have like less options or less feature. You can see you can explore each and every option one by one. So we are going to click on connect and then see the overview. So here we have option for gross account. You have no connected account. So if you click over here, then you will have option for integration guide. Once you click over here, they will give you the information how you can connect your Stripe to your website, like accept a payment. So you can see we also have option like use onboarding quick start, that accept payment. So if you need to know about further more about Stripe, this is the place where you can read each and every information and that place. So if you go to the dashboard again, you will find out further option like connected accounts, account to review. If I talk about the feature, then I need to be mentioned that one, that is Stripe dashboard, a central place to manage payment, report customers and reports. This on the place. And then second is Stripe checkout. Find out your option in the reporting, then billing, and this payment. Here we have option for checkout, a pre-built checkout page, perfect if you don't want to code anything, like it is a pre-made design, you can use whatever or whenever you want to use. Then third one is Stripe element, customizable from fields to build your own checkout experience. So it sounds really cool if I think. Then fourth option, then phone number option will be recurring billing, like it is automatically charges customer for subscription and membership. So and the next one is Stripe connect. You can see the connect option here, and that means lets you build marketplace multi-seller platform like Uber or Airbnb. Then fraud protection tools like Stripe Radar help prevent fraud in real time. So these are the feature it included in Stripe.com. So if you want to set up your Stripe account in your website or in your desktop, then you need to follow some step like go to your Stripe.com. Just click over here and you can see we already landed in Stripe.com because I already have an account. If you don't have any account, then you will get this kind of interface. Let me give you, that will be like something this. It will take a while, and now you can see this one is the interface. Here you can see their features, their payments possibilities, their billing, and what kind of features they are providing. It everyone is you will find out in this option. So here we have options like sign in and contact sales. Then we have pricing. Right now we are going to use the free version, but if you want to purchase their premium plan, you are allowed to purchase. Like you can explore it and you will find out various information from that place. So just click over here, sign in. Once you click over here, they will redirect you to the next page where you can allow to create a new page. So you need to be take a while, then it will perfectly reload and it will become over here again on your desktop. Once the loading page has been loaded successfully, you will get this kind of an interface where you can easily create an account. So you can create account with Google, then SSO. So it's totally up to you. So after creating an account, it will redirect you to this dashboard sandbox page where you can see the sample of the features. But if you want to get your live account, just click over here. Then they will ask for your business and banking details. If you have a valid business and banking details, then you can go ahead with this one. But without this, you are not allowed to go further. You have only access or allowed to work on sandbox. So choose you want to collect payment. After complete your account, business and details and banking details, then you will have the option to choose how you want to collect money through a site, app or platform. So it's depend on you what kind of business you are in. Are you doing business with website? Are you doing business with apps? So the thinking depends on your platform. Then if you are using Shopify, Wix or WordPress, Stripe can integrate in just a few clicks. So the process is really simple. Let me give you an example. Just come over here and just go that place in setting option, and then you need to be go on the billing option or payment, like payment, and just here you need to be search here Stripe. Once you search Stripe, you will able to find out the Stripe. You will be able to see the Stripe over that place. So sometimes it totally depend. So integrate a Stripe account with your Shopify store. That for reason you need to be click on apps option. Once you go here, you need to be click on Shopify app store and it will open a new page over here. So they are asking for confirmation, remind me next time. Then you need to be install the Stripe apps in your Shopify store. Just click and search over here and then you will get this Shopify payments. Once you set up Shopify payments perfectly, then you are allowed to add Stripe to your Shopify store. This is really easy process. I hope you can do it your own now. So here you need to be complete your Shopify store, and then you will have the option like you can see. If you redirect to scroll down, find out your Stripe account. Where is the Stripe? Let's search it. Stripe ST. So once you complete perfectly, then you will have the option for payments Stripe. So the process is really simple. Let's go again. We check out Wix.com and let's see Wix, and you can also include Stripe in your WordPress site. So let's click over here and find out where is the dashboard hour. Let's click here and the process will be easy for us, so don't take it harshly. So here we have option for Stripe. Once we search here, and you can see we already get some suggestion over that place. And when you will get this option, just here you need to find out what is the Stripe, then install it here, and you are now allowed to get payment through Stripe. So the process is really easy. Let's go to, so you can see we already installed our Stripe in here. Now we can connect our Stripe to our website. So if you are a developer, then Stripe provides powerful APIs. You can see these are the API we have. Let's find it out for ourselves. So we have the API and webhooks for full control, so we can do it whatever we want. You can even test payment using Stripe sandbox mode before going live. This is the great feature for Stripe user. So if I talk about the pros and cons, then I need to be tell that will be that pros will be, so is Stripe right for you or not? Let's look at the pros and cons. So first of all, easy to set up. Stripe is really easy. You already see in this video that how much easy you need to be create an account, then you need to be fulfill your business and bank details, then you are allowed to do whatever you want. Then it is trusted by major companies, so there is a no like drawback on fraud or other kind of thing. So it is really trusted, support many payment methods. This is the amazing thing, and also it is really developer friendly. These are the pros if you want to use Stripe for your website. Then if there is some cons, because without cons nothing will be developed. So the cons will be transaction fees, usually 2.9% plus 30 euro per card payment. So it is the drawback I can say. Second one, will some features may require basic coding. If you don't know anything about coding, then it may be difficult for you sometimes, like some cases it is rare. And the third one will be payouts may take 1 or 2 days depending on your location. If you are from Asian country, then it takes 1 or 2 days. So that is the cons. And let's talk about conclusion. Like you already understand how Stripe work, how you can integrate Stripe to your website, how you need to be, if you click on get your live account, you need to be fulfill your business and bank details. So I think all the thing we already discussed throughout the video. Now we are going to wrap up the video, so for that reason the conclusion will be ended here. That will be, now you know what Stripe is, how it works, and how to start using it in your business. So if you found this helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you want a tutorial on setting up Stripe on platform like Shopify or WordPress. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.